Hello everybody, my name is Emmett. Welcome to the Magic Academy, where we're going to be learning card magic, card sleights and flourishes to get you from going like this, hey, pick a card, to hey, pick a card. Learning the flourishes, right? Some of the fans and all that good stuff. So a great way to get started is learning the one-handed cut. This is a classic, the Charlier cut. So we're going to go ahead and learn that. We're going to learn a couple additional flourishes as well you can use with the Charlier cut. This is a two-handed version, which is kind of fun. And then the S-fan split, where you give it a nice little flip. Those are a couple fun options you could use once you learn the Charlier cut. We'll go ahead and learn those right now. Okay, with the classic Charlier cut, you are going to put the cards into elevated dealer's grip, like so. You're going to drop the bottom half, and using the index finger, push the bottom pack up and over the top. So once again, in elevated dealer's grip, drop half the pack, using the index finger to push the bottom pack up and over. One more time. We'll do that from a different angle as well. So you can see the index finger pushing the bottom packet up and over the top pack. One more time. For the two-handed Charlier cut, bend the index fingers in the back and riffle half of the cards and flip them into the other hand. From there, perform the Charlier cut, and then once again on your non-dominant hand, flip the cards over and back into the main hand. Do that again. So you can see the index finger bent, flip the cards over into the other hand, performing the Charlier cut, and then with that non-dominant hand, bending the index finger to help flip the cards over and rotating them back into the main hand. And so from the front, right-handers can mirror this motion. Once again, bending the index finger to riffle the cards, rotating them in the other hand, doing the Charlier cut, and then bending the index finger to flip the cards. Now with the fan flip Charlier, take about a third of the packet and place the cards in between your index finger and ring finger, and using the thumb to just fan the cards. From there, do the Charlier cut, putting the top packet on the top and rotating your wrist to flip the cards. From there, you can put the fan on the top of the deck or in the middle, wherever you like. Once again, taking a third of the pack, holding the cards like so, taking the thumb, placing it at the bottom, spreading the cards. You can see not too clean there, but rotating the top pack. Once again, taking a third of the pack, putting the one-handed fan, Charlier cut, taking the top packet, flipping it right over. Well, if you enjoyed those flourishes, go ahead and like and subscribe. We're going to be adding more flourishes, more techniques, and more card magic to the channel. So stay tuned, and we'll see you next time.